What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and today I have a little surprise. I have the TCL 10L. That's right, the folks over at TCL, I wanted to thank them for sending this over to me to check out, unbox, and review. Now, I've had the TCL 10 Pro for a little while now, and this is actually a really excellent device. I love it. But today we're gonna take a look and unbox and get our first impressions with the TCL 10L. That's right. That name is kind of a tongue twister, huh? TCL 10L. Let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. They sent this over brand new. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the plastic here, cut the little side buttons here. Got the switchblade on deck. But we're gonna go ahead and unbox this sucker. TCL is a great company. I love their media relations with YouTubers, especially a lot of small YouTubers. They've been great as far as communicating, talking about updates. Now they have promised Android 11 on their devices, also every 2 months security patches so that you can get your security stuff done. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now this is a 6.53 full HD HDR 48 megapixel camera, 16 megapixel front facing camera, 4000 milliamp battery. There's some differences between the two. This one is cheaper, so it's about $200 cheaper. So you know, this is a budget device to say the least. Now you get your SIM card right there, right in front. And they also provide a case for your TCL 10L. I'm gonna say Pro in this video, so please don't hate me for that. There's the device. Ooh, this one's blue. Now I have the TCL 10 Pro, which is a silvery color or gray, but this is not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. I wonder what the difference is. Now, you get your Type-C cable there, and you have your charging brick there. Let's go ahead and make sure there's nothing else in here so that we don't leave you out. Yeah, you got your TCL power brick there. So you get a charger, a case, no headphones that I can see. But let's go ahead and put all this stuff in here. Put the case on top in case I want to model it for you later. We'll go ahead and put this here as a little backdrop for the video. That looks kind of sexy right there. Let's go, yeah, right there. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this. That looks like it's the smart key like they have on the regular TCL. Let me take this other one out of the case so that you guys can kind of see the difference. So, I mean, this is a bigger device, so, which is interesting, you know? It's a bigger device. Now, you get the smart key, like I said, power button, volume up and down, your SIM card right there. You get your headphone jack right there on deck, so no issues there. The Type-C, let me see, focus, bro. There you go. I gotta talk to my cameraman, man. He hasn't been focused lately. And then you get the pinhole right here, where you get the pinhole in the middle on the TCL 10 Pro, and you get it there on the left. So we're gonna go ahead and spark this baby up. This looks like it's a little wider, yeah. A little wider than the TCL 10 Pro, but I'm wondering just how. This is a thinner device. This looks a little thicker. This is 4,500 milliamp. This is 4,000 milliamp. You get that pinhole, and then you get that pinhole there on the top. You can't see with the wallpaper, but you see it's there, right there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and sign into this sucker and check it out. All right, so I have everything set up. Now, I do enjoy this flat display. I know that the TCL 10 Pro has that curved display, a little sexier. It's got some, you know, a little more mini skirt on this one than this one. Is more flat, more conservative. Like I said, you have the pinhole on the top of the left pinhole on that one, and then you have the teardrop or the center one on the TCL 10 Pro. But really, this is a nice looking device. I will say I gotta give TCL credit. Their displays look really good with both of these phones. They're excellent. This one's a little bigger, it's wider, different pinhole, 6.5, 6.4. So that's one of the differences there. You know, you got a little more, little less, better screen to body ratio, but not by much. This is like 93%, 91 or something like that. The Snapdragon processors on this is running the 665, and the TCL 10 Pro is running the 675, which has been excellent, by the way. So I'm hoping the same things. What are some of the other differences? You know, you got 64 gigabytes of storage, where on the TCL 10 Pro you have 128. Both have 6 gigabytes of RAM, a little different storage processing on the TCL 10L versus the 10 Pro. 4,000 milliamp battery. The 10 Pro has 4,500 milliamp battery. Now the cameras on the back, you get the 64 megapixel on the Pro, where you have a 48 megapixel on the 10L. Okay, so your secondary is 8 megapixel on the 10L, 16 on the 10 Pro. So there's some differences on the lenses. Little more, I would say, better on the 10 Pro versus the front-facing camera is 16 on the 10L, where you have 24 megapixel on that. Now this has a rear fingerprint reader on the back here, not the in-display like the 10 Pro. It does have face unlock, don't know how good it is. They both have the headphone jack on deck, which is great. That's an excellent option, especially these days. If you have headphones, you definitely need a headphone jack. Now this is 250 bucks. So, and this one is 450. So they're both available on Amazon. Links will be down in the description below. Also on Best Buy, I believe at this time, also coming to Walmart. So they are readily available. I like this blue on this better than I like the, I don't know though. This color is pretty cool, how it has that, it comes down and it has that like, ooh, yeah, that's nice. But yeah, this is a little different. The blue is kind of nice though. It pops a little more. I think I like this one here, the form factor. I don't know why. I like flat displays. The curved one has been good. I mean, I got no qualms about it. I've been able to use it. I use it with a case, so I don't have accidental touches like some people. Shout out to Phone Jerome. But man, this is an excellent device. I'm gonna give it for a little spin. I like the form factor on it. I'm sure the cameras are probably basically the same on both, except for, you know, the 10 Pro's technically a little better because it has the bigger megapixel. So we'll see, but that's not always the case. But we'll definitely find out. If I forgot anything, leave it down in the comments below. But this is the TCL 10L from TCL. Pretty cool. I like the way this one feels, looks. I like the flat feeling on this. Definitely dope. And I like the screen on these. They're pretty cool. All right, guys. Peace.